day. So sorry it's been a long. I haven't recorded yet. So sorry. It took long because this is so anyway, please subscribe and you can nail it. And I'll show you the accessories of my wrestling. Here's the tape. Here's the table and the set. That's the. I cannot hold the figures very well, but it's okay. What can I do? This is the WWE book or this is the real contract here. Oh, drop it. Contract. Laptop. Got another laptop. It's different. And the huge WWE contract. A phone. I haven't drawn anything yet on there. Another phone. And the picture I haven't drawn. So let's get to. And this accessory is amazing that I built. The backstage. This is the TV here. This is the TV here hanging. I don't know if you guys see it. So the camera over here. This is the TV. Where the backstage, I don't know. That's the table right there behind. I got the ladder. The ladder, that's is homemade, but it's okay. It cannot hold. It can fall. And it's okay. But what can you say? It's too crushy, dummy. It's okay. At least I made something. And here's the table. It's breakable in pieces. Oh, I'm gonna lose it. Hold on, guys. So I'm back. So let me finish the progress here, okay? So wait a minute. So back at it. This is the candlestick. It's a straw, but it's okay. How can I make it in a hard way? Because I don't have any woods. Because it's too dangerous. I might have splinters and it's hard to understand it. I got the longest candlestick. A fan sign. Just you can see me logo. Everything here is homemade. And look at this. That's the homemade stuff that I did. This is my favorite, the backstage. The table right here cannot stand the figure, it's okay, but you can hold it. You can hold the figure. It's just like what? Let me set up a tripod. And put 2 tables. It can break. Just wait a minute. That's my table. Then I'm not finished with this contract, like right here. There you have it. This is the book. Wait. There's the accessories. There's the accessories that I need. This is cool. The belts. Let's get to the belts. This is the Intercontinental title. The old WWE Championship. And the new WWE Championship that The Rock replaced. Let's put them back here. And I'm gonna move my laptops. The book first. Books. Fan sign over here. Phone. Laptop. Piece of brick. Wait. I'm not done with this yet, but I'll make it. This part here keeps fall. It's like BS, it's fun. Laptop here. And we're done. It is the cover of the trash can. Not very cool. It's kind of like not a circle. There you guys go, my wrestling. My table. In the backstage. My ladder. Laptops and gadgets and stuff. Candlesticks and the belts. Weapons. And I'm not done with this. Trash can cover. And that's it. That's my wrestling figures accessory. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a comment, subscribe.